Hey, Andrew here with SewLakeTahoe. This is a fun video on what to expect if you order an adjustable strap mask, what it looks like when you get it in the mail. So let's pretend like this had a big stamp on it. Oh, I got a package. You're going to pull it out. You're going to pull out your receipt that comes with it, which I did involve in here. But you're also going to get your mask. So let's see here. There you go. So this is what it would look like if you got it. It's on a hard cardstock, so it keeps its shape. And on the back there, it has all the straps perfectly adjusted to keep it taut and nice and fresh. So you're opening up your mask. You probably noticed that weird green card on the back. And what that card is my creation receipt. So with the day that I'm making your mask, I actually write out one of these cards and have it go along the process to make sure that when you order your custom mask, if everything on this is custom, I hit all of those pieces to make sure it's exactly what you order. So it's just a little fun receipt of the birthing process of your mask. And that's stuck on the back with my business card. I also just like the way that looks. Doesn't that look cool? You can see all the straps and all that stuff. And inside your mask are two pieces of paper. I know, this is a lot all of a sudden, huh? It's like one of those Koopy dolls or whatever that grows, those Russian dolls. So here's your mask, and inside are two pieces of paper. The first one here is a first-time fit. So this is going to be what and how you're going to put on your mask. So it goes step by step on putting it around your neck, how to adjust your nose bridge, all of those steps. The second thing is washing care. And I have two options. You have with a washing machine and by hand. So I kind of give you some step-by-step information on how to do that as well. So this type of information comes every mask and inside every mask. So if you're ordering multiple masks, this is in each one. So if you're giving them as gifts, things like that, everyone is always covered on it. So that is what comes inside. You get your birth certificate. You get your information on how to put it on and how to wash. You get your business card, woohoo! And you get your awesome mask that is right there, custom to you. Cool. Go order one. I'll make it for you.